Hello, and welcome to the iColus Safety App Field Audits Introductory course. In this introductory course, we will go over the field audit and how to properly complete them. Field audits are extremely important for developing a safety culture. Employees must know the correct procedure of completing numerous tasks and what is being expected from them. Field audits are to be done whenever possible. Every time you go onto the job site, use this moment to conduct safety audits. The more the better. Now let's go to our phones and open iColus Safety App. Locate Validate button. Next, we need to choose an employee to test their knowledge and conduct field audit. Under Type, pick Staff. Then type employee name. Click on their name. You should see their profile. Click on Process Audits. Now we see all the audits that are available to us. Let's review each one, what are they consisted of, and when it is recommended to do them. Jumpers, construction and modernization. Let's click on it and select New. Click on the Steps section. These steps show a proper way of how to install jumpers for construction mode. This audit have two parts. The first part is to be done when employees are installing jumpers for construction mode, or simply verify if the jumpers were installed according to the checklist. The second part comes in when employees are taking jumpers out. Supervisor or the office have to receive jumpers log for confirmation. Let's review the steps. Identify proper circuits to be jumped. Ensure jumpers are at 39-inch long. All jumpers are knotted and tagged. Identify the circuits being jumped on the tag. Log in all jumpers that are installed. Hang log sheet on the controller door. Log out each jumper. Return log sheets to the office at the end of the job for verification. At turnover, the superintendent or designed individual verifies that the jumpers are removed. Now we need to check all the steps that were followed during the operation. For the ones that were missed, we leave them blank. Click Save. Hazards. Let's review the list of hazards that can be experienced by completing the task. Exposure to live electrical circuit. Exposure to arc flash. Rotating equipment hazards. Unsafe machine room access. Poor housekeeping. Low or insufficient lighting. Check all the hazards that were experienced by the task. Click Save. Safety controls. Let's review the list of safety controls we can implement to mitigate the previously mentioned hazards. Cut protection. Glasses clear lens. Safety shoes. Arc flash protection. Jumper kit in pouch jumper. Personal locks with proper label/ID. Job lock. Proper 110 VAC lockout breaker device. Cat 3/4 digital multimeter. AC sensor, proper meter lead and alligator clips. Pick all the safety controls that were used. Click Save. Notes and pics. You can write comments and upload pictures here. Once you are done, click Save. Score section should upload automatically based on the steps completed. You can click on it to see how the employee did. Click Save. Once the audit is ready, press Submit. Okay, let's do an example now. We are going to check on modernization job site. A team has the elevator running on the construction mode. It is a good time to conduct the audit. In the motor room we see jumpers. They are 36-inch long. They are knotted and tagged. The tag has identified circuit being jumped. The jumper log is missing. We verify that proper circuit is jumped, but the log is missing. Now let's move to jumpers, construction and modernization audit, and check all the steps that were done. 1. Identify proper circuit to be jumped. 2. Ensure jumpers are at minimum 36-inch long. 3. All jumpers are knotted and tagged. 4. Identify the circuits being jumped on the tag. Following steps were not completed since no jumper log was found. 5. Log in all jumpers that are installed. 6. Hang log sheet on the controller door. 7. Log out each jumper once removed. 8. Return log sheet to the office at the end of the job for verification. 9. At turnover, the super or designated individual verifies that the jumpers are removed. After we evaluated employee performance, we can click Save button at the bottom of the page. Now let's move to hazards. Following hazards were identified. Exposure to life circuit. Exposure to arc flash. Click Save, and let's move to safety controls. Following safety controls were identified. Cut protection. Glasses clear lens. Safety shoes. Personal locks with proper label ID. Employees need to do lockout tagout to install jumpers. Job lock. Cat 3 or 4 digital multimeter. Click Save, and let's move on. I can add comments and pictures if I choose to. In this case I do not create any input. Click Save. Now I can check the score. My total score is 44%. Click Save and submit the audit. We will do one more example. Let's do car top access. Locate car top access audit in main menu, and select it. Press New. In this case employee performed JHA. If employee did JHA for the day we will acknowledge it, and give credit for it. He notified building when he arrived at the location. Employee activated one call in down direction. Opened the door more than 6 inch when verifying the door. Door wedge was used each time. Employee did not check the stop and inspection switch separately. Since employee did not verify the two switches independently, I am stopping this exercise and not letting employee on the car top. Now let's check all the steps that were done. 1. Perform JHA. 2. Notify customer. 3. Stop the elevator in flight. Following steps were not completed. 4. Enter the elevator, activate 2 calls in down direction. 5. Open the door no more than 6 inches to verify door lock. 6. Insert door wedge, engage emergency stop switch and close the door. 7. Make a call, wait, open hostway door, verify e-stop works. 8. Insert door wedge, place car on top of car inspection and disengage e-stop. 9. Close hoistway door, make a call and wait approximately 20 seconds. 10. Open the hostway 6 inch, verify that the inspection switch is working. 11. Insert your door wedge tool and engage e-stop switch. 12. Access car and safely position yourself and tools. 13. Once on car top, test your down direction button first, then your up direction. Click Save, and let's move to hazards. Here, I am not choosing any option as the car top did not have any of mentioned hazards. Click Save. Safety controls were identified. Glasses. Safety shoes. Door wedge. Hoistway door unlocking key. Click Save. In this case, I choose not to input any comments and pictures. Now let's check the score. The score is 31%. Click Save and submit. After each audit, if employee did poorly, they should be re-educated on how to correctly complete various tasks. Make sure employee has the SAFE 9 Safety Absolutes field guide. All the steps that need to be followed are there. Safety starts with you.